Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, BPM to Seconds. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the BPM to Seconds node and discussing its functionality. This node is fairly straightforward in the sense that it's a conversion tool to change from beats per minute into seconds. However, we do have a few parameters to define because it's not as simple as just taking your BPM and dividing it by 60. Although that is partially what is happening. The first input we have is, of course, the BPM that we want to convert. The next input is our beat multiplier. This node will first do a straight conversion of BPMs to seconds, and then that outcome will be multiplied by the value set to our beat multiplier. So because we are using the word multiply here, you may initially think that this will make our beat faster. But actually, the opposite is true. If you are running this time data into something like a delay trigger, this will actually increase the time of the delay instead of shortening it. The last input we have on this node is our divisions of whole number input. For those of you who aren't too familiar with music theory, a whole note is a note that is held for one full bar of a measure. By default, this value is set to 4, turning our whole note into what we call quarter notes. We can also set this value to 3 if we want triplets. After all of this multiplication and division, we are finally presented with our outcome in seconds. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.